Hey guys, how are you? Austin here. Thought I would go live with you and hang out with you for a while. How's it going? Got to make sure if you're watching this on the replay, bear with me. I've got to make sure I got people here. All right, cool. So it looks like we're live and everything looks good. It's checking out. So I don't have anybody in here with me yet, but I need to make sure, let my Patreon members know that I am live. I am live right now. All right, let me make them aware. So hold on just a minute, guys. Drop in the chat. Let me know if you're here. Just making sure. If you're watching this on the replay, just give me just a second, and I'll get with you, okay? Cool. All right, got a few people coming on. Excellent, excellent. What's up, William? What's going on? Thought I'd come out and hang out with you guys. This will be the second live stream I've done today. It's kind of crazy. Actually, it's three. I spent some time with. I spent some time on Zach's live stream, so I spent about 45 minutes with him. On his, but what's going on, Jay? It's good to see you. Welcome. It's showing on one screen but not another. There you are, Jay. Cool. All right, cool. So just give me a minute, guys. It's going to take a minute for people to kind of fill in here, to file in. Then we'll get started and we'll have some conversations. We'll talk about why this bad boy is pumping. What's up, Buggy Boy? That's a good screen name you got there. At 12 viewers. Hit the like button if you would, guys. Let people know that I am here. That would help me immensely. Greatly, greatly appreciate it. Takes a minute for the algorithm to let everybody know that I'm here. So, what do you guys think? Matthew, what's going on? Klee Kai, yeah, we'll talk about it. What's up, Mike? Thanks for being here. What do you guys think about today's pump? This is crazy, isn't it? Isn't it crazy? Well, look at this. We've been at a high of 1482, like right here. Bam. So we've been all the way up. That's over 70+%. It's like about a 72% move up, give or take, which is absolutely crazy that it's been doing that. So, hey, Foxy, glad you're here. Thanks for being here, and thanks for being a mod in my group as well as on my live streams. Yeah, what a day. It's been a crazy, crazy day. Yeah, I did a live stream earlier today. Sorry, something's in my eye. I did a live stream earlier today. Had like 2,000 people almost on with me. And then Zach did a live stream, and Chad Reddings ended up jumping on with him, and I jumped on with him, and he ended up having like almost 6,000 people in the afternoon. But he was on right when it started pumping, and it started going up to like 60+%. It's crazy. So yeah. Charles, it's not over yet. No, it's not. It's not over yet. So Brian, I'm going to get a new surfboard. Oh, there you go. Cool, Brian. Yeah, go buy yourself a new surfboard. That's one of the better uses of money I've heard of. So maybe buying it with some of your profits, I guess, right? That's kind of cool. What's up, Steve? Welcome. How are you? So we got about 30 plus people here. Hit the like button if you would, please. Please hit the like button below the video here, and I'd appreciate it. Foxy, I'm in the tub and my cat keeps trying to jump in. Well, I don't even know what to say about that, Foxy. That's it's just. You made me laugh. You got me with that one. That's awesome. You're watching me in the tub. There you go. All right. I guess that's a good thing to do, right? Let's see. So, Don, do you think Akita will pump as well? You know what? Somebody told me that Floki Inu was pumping today, and it's because of the tweet from Elon. Oh, well, it's already gone back. Is that right, Floki Inu? That's the one that always moves whenever Elon tweets about his dog, right? Well, yeah, look, right here. 24-hour high has been 7477. So, yeah, I bet you it moved up because of his dog. Because Elon tweeted about his dog today. This is the tweet right here, Floki. So every time Elon puts up a picture of his dog, Floki Inu, the token pumps. Isn't that the damnedest thing ever? All right, so there you go. So Akita, I don't know about Akita. What is that? What is this, Nick? 30-year stock guy. Nice mic drop on Zach's live. Don't like Austin. He doesn't like you. Thanks for reminding me, Nick. Yeah, you guys know I don't put up with any crap. All right, that's funny. Thank you for that, Nick. I appreciate it. Yeah, you can tell Zach was like, whoa, hey, oh my God, Akita is moving. What is this? What is Akita Inu, and why do I care? Who asked me about this? Who was it? Don. All right, hold on, Don. Just a minute, man. Let's see what we got. Thanks, Nick, for the super chat. Appreciate you, man. So it's a decentralized community coins. Half tokens have been sent to Vitalik. Blah blah blah. I'm not putting it down, guys. I'm just looking at it. Social media meets DeFi, announcing Akita, Dream Swap. So they're gonna have a decentralized exchange on Avalanche, Dream Swap, stake your tokens. They're kind of all over the place here. It's interesting. Ethereum community will be able to bridge to Avalanche. I don't know. I would look at it, and again, anytime you're looking at these kind of new tokens like that, I would definitely be very aware. All right, so back to SHIB, back to what's going on. All right, so we got 81 plus people here. Cool. Continue to hit the like button, please, 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 guys. Hit the like button. That tells the algorithm. It tells YouTube I'm here, which helps more people come in. We can have a lot more fun. Okay, so let me see what else we got going on. Namsa, hope I'm saying your name right. Hey Austin, can you imagine if Robinhood could list now? Hell with break loose. Nohad, any updates with Axie? Axie's running. It's running hard, man. Axie's running. Because they're going to launch their own exchange. There's a lot of cool stuff going. Axie's just pumping. And we're going to stay on SHIB just for a little bit, guys, okay? Because so here's what I'm going to tell you guys. So we got about 100 plus people. I'm sure going to have to repeat this a couple of times. New Christopher, is this an Elon Musk pump again? No, this is not an Elon Musk pump. Okay, guys, here's what's going on. If you're trying to figure out what's going on, I'm going to say it, but I'm going to say it right now. So in my live stream as well, in Zach's live stream, there's some stuff that came out. Here's what's going on. Here we go. Okay. Ears wide open. I'm kidding. Okay. So we got clarification that a fair amount of the buying volume for SHIB today is coming out of a series of wallets, okay? Which would lead us to believe that it could be Robinhood buying up liquidity, getting ready to launch. That's what I think it is, okay? Plus, guys, if you look at this chart. I mean, look at this is a 1 hour chart. Look at this pump and how it's just going completely up. See this? I mean, Shiba hasn't done this. I've been covering SHIB since May 3rd or May 5th or somewhere in that area. SHIB has not done anything like you just saw me draw on the screen. It's not. Okay, so to me, usually it goes like this, like that, like this, like that, like this, like that, right? That's usually what it looks like, okay? That's not happening. And so this tells me it's a sustained effort, well, not an effort. It's a sustained buy, and which would lead us to believe that it's a pump coming for potentially Robinhood to onboard and get liquidity. That's what I think it is. And also what is starting to happen inside of this, so it's two things. It's Robinhood and it's this. I'm going to write it. It's this. Who knows what that is? Drop in the chat. I know you guys know, but okay. That's what it is. And so what it's Robinhood liquidity. And then what happened was we started moving and kept moving up. We hit that about 30-40% move up. And then people started going, holy crap, I want to get in on this. I want to get in on this. I want to get in on this. And so you started getting a lot of FOMO of existing people who already owned it, as well as new retail holders. We've added about 2,000 plus retail holders today. A lot, okay? That's the two biggest things that I see what is going on. There you go. Foxy says institution money. Yep. It's which equates to Robinhood. All right, technical difficulties. Thanks for the super chat. Where's the Shiba Inu haters now? Austin, stay rad. Thank you. Technical difficulties. Yeah, you don't see any haters right now hanging around, right? And they just all kind of leave. Okay, so there you go, written on the screen. There you go. There's the two reasons. So we've got liquidity. Let's just write it down so we can come back to this. I'm going to write it as LIQ and FOMO. So liquidity for Robinhood and FOMO is absolutely what is going on. All right, so there you go. We're going to be coming back to this screen, I'm sure, a few times during tonight's live stream. All right, and by the way, look at this high. We hit 1482, guys. Crazy, crazy, crazy. All right, so excuse me. Let's see. If there was a dogfight between Doge and Shiba, who would win based on merit, not hype? Man, I don't know. I think it might be Shiba. I mean, and I'm a Doge fan, but Doge is still building out utility. It's still, all those kind of things. Now, Doge has obviously got way, way, way more of a market cap. We'll talk about Saitama in a little bit. But it would be really, there is some discussions that that Shiba could reach a market valuation close to Dogecoin and ultimately one day potentially overtake them. We'll see. That would be awesome, right? And I love Doge as well, guys. You know I do. I'm a fan of Doge as well. Okay, but right here, right now. By the way, if you didn't notice, SHIB has picked up about 14 spots. We were sitting at about the 48,000 mark. We've moved up to number 34 ranking, and this is also worth mentioning. Look at this, number 1 right there. 24-hour movers. Look at this SHIB. But look at the next thing. Nothing else is moving at all. See this? Look at this. Nothing else. Look, the closest 24-hour mover right now is Dogecoin with 9%, which actually is pretty good. Doge moving up 24 cents. I didn't know that. I wasn't watching it. All right. So let's see what else. Thanks, Boxy. Appreciate it. Fear of missing out. Yep. Everyone who bought after 12 missed already. One of my best friends is first-time crypto buyer, and he bought 120 million for Woke. That's pretty good. All right, cool. What a ride. SHIB is going to crash. Keith, I appreciate your comment. I think we're definitely going to pull back. I think it's going to come back because, again, I think that this is liquidity buying and FOMO, okay, which, we might see some pullback here. All right. What else we got here? Haters going to hate. Yes, they are. What else we got? Another Cody update. Guys, hit the like button if you would. I'd like to get to 200 likes. Can you help me get to 200 likes in the next 10 minutes? Appreciate you. Hit the like button. Appreciate it. SHIB2K, thanks for being a mod. What will SHIB pull back to? I don't know the answer to that. This run-up has been unprecedented. I think we burned a 0. We picked up that 0. We could pull back into high 9s. We could give that 0 back. I don't want to be that guy who says that, but we could. I think that this is a liquidity play from Robinhood, mainly adding to liquidity. We could see how it kind of plays out from there. Okay, but I don't know. I honestly can't tell you. Oh, by the way, I know you guys know this. We had a whale buy up $46 million worth of SHIB on Thursday of last week and into the weekend. So that's interesting. And you kind of wonder if that whale knew that this was coming. Think about that for a minute. Do you think that whale knew that potentially Robinhood, if that's what's going on, if Robinhood was going to start adding liquidity, so they bought up $46 million worth? Interesting to think about, right? Let's see. What else we got? Dan, thanks for being a mod. Appreciate you. Was it a mistake to give up on Doge and switch to Shiba? No, Jose. But here's the thing. Why do you have to give up on one? You can have a position in both of them. You can own some Doge and you can own some SHIB. That's kind of how I believe in it. Dan doesn't think we'll slide back below 1. I like to think you're right. SLP is up 32% today. Jeremiah, yeah, I saw that. SLP, Smooth Love Potions is up today as well. Austin, is the Robinhood news real? Yeah, the Robinhood real news is real. I think Robinhood is about to onboard them. That's what I think. I think that. No, but Robinhood has been very quiet about it. We haven't really seen anything happen. All right, guys, help me get to 200 likes, please. If you haven't already done so, please hit that like button. Help me get to 200 likes. I need that for the algorithm and all that kind of stuff. If you're digging what I'm putting out, hit the like button. It doesn't cost you anything. I appreciate it. Let's see what else we got going on. I'm gonna stay on SHIB for a while, guys. So if you want me to look at other stuff, give me a little bit. I'm gonna stay on SHIB and maybe a little bit of Saitama. If Shiba, sorry about that, I keep clicking that. If Shiba passes Doge in market cap, what price would SHIB be? I don't know. I haven't ran the numbers on that Spark side. I haven't ran the numbers on that. Probably at least one more 0. Yeah, at least one more 0. What is Dogecoin's market cap? What's it at? Let's see, 30. Wow, it's probably 2 zeros. We got to burn 2 zeros to get to their market cap. That's a guess, somewhere in that area. Carlos Cruz, thanks for being a member on YouTube. Appreciate it. Is it too soon to know when is a good time to buy more SHIB? Carlos, I would not buy right now because we're at this high. I think we're gonna drop a little bit. So there you go. Saitama, Saitama versus SHIB for gains. They're different, guys. I mean, SHIB's pumping right now. Saitama's got a lot of cool stuff coming. You guys know I cover both. They're different, right? And so, but again, you can own both of them. Look, Saitama's down today. She's down. She dipped down into the 9s. She gave up a 0 and then got it right back and things like that. Or right there. We moved over a 0. I've got a fair amount of Saitama. Santa Fe Mike, welcome as a new member. Welcome, Santa Fe Mike. Thank you for joining. It's cool to see you. All right, cool. What was I saying? Okay. Saitama. Yeah, Saitama's. Believe me, there's a lot of cool stuff coming. Crypto, top tier crypto exchange, Crypto.com, KuCoin's probably gonna be one of those. That announcement, this thing will pump hard when that comes out. We got Saitama coming on November 13th in Vegas. I'm gonna be out in Vegas. Zach and I are gonna go out there, hang out, all that kind of stuff. All right, so this is gonna be kind of cool. But here's the thing: you can own both, right? And most of you guys do. And most of you guys own Saitama and own SHIB if you own both. What's my price prediction for SHIB in 5 years from now? I think it can hit a penny. I think that SHIB can hit right there. That's the target. That's what they're trying to get to. So we'll see. Math in public. Saitama hasn't announced anything with exchanges yet. No, they have not. They haven't announced anything. Do I know when Saitama will be available on COINBASE? Jose, no, I have no idea. COINBASE is not the one that Russ Armand came onto my live stream. We talked about it. I got the feeling that COINBASE, from a legal perspective, kind of all the legal stuff that they have to do to onboard Saitama onto COINBASE was kind of being a pain in the butt. He didn't say that, but he kind of alluded to that. So I think COINBASE is it's sometime in the future, but it's not that soon. Here's the funny thing though, Russ, the COO of Saitama, he's more excited about Saitama, and he's more excited about his own exchange and about being able to buy Saitama with Apple Pay and stuff like that. He's more excited about that than he is about exchanges. So just FYI. Cryptocker, Shiba Inu is opening the doors to the rest of us who are the 90% who always have to settle for the crumbs they throw at us. There you go. That's cool. That's good to appreciate you dropping that in, man. Will SHIB ever reach Dogecoin's market cap? It could, but it's got to burn at least a couple of zeros to do that. It's got to be at least probably about, burn those 2 zeros right there that you see me highlighting. So, yeah. Oh, 500 people with me. Cool. All right, cool. Guys, hit the like button. I'd like to hit 350 likes. If you guys could hit the like button. If you're just coming in, thanks for joining me, hanging out. Hit 300. I'd like to hit 350 likes. So hit the like button if you would. Appreciate it. That tells everything that I'm here and doing my thing. Okay. Let's see what else we got here going. Foxy says, hopefully crypto.com. I agree. I kind of hope it is crypto. I kind of hope that it is crypto.com that Saitama gets announced on. Do I know when SHIB will be on Robinhood? I have no idea. But we think that this buy up is a liquidity play. It's Robinhood buying up liquidity, so we should be hopefully announcing sometime, maybe tomorrow or the next day. Hopefully. That's just hopefully, right? So, but what we heard is that Del Crypto broke the news that that Robinhood has done all the technical and all the legal stuff to onboard it, and that's all done, so that it's ready for Saitama. Raymond, thanks for the super chat. Just got off work. Why the pump? Raymond, I'm going to tell you, thanks for the super chat, by the way, man. Here you go, right here. We think that it's a liquidity play. We think that that it is Robinhood buying up a lot of tokens for liquidity, for onboarding SHIB and FOMO. So when it started going up and it was about 30-40% plus up, I think that a lot of people started jumping in, existing people who were buying more, and new holders. We've added about 2,000 to 3,000 new holders today. So I think it's those two things combined. That's what we think it is. All right. So there you go. Thanks for the super chat, Justin. Appreciate it, man. I said 200 likes was my goal a minute ago. You're right, but I got to keep getting more because we keep getting more people in here. So we're at 350. So thanks, guys. Thanks for the likes. I appreciate you. Shiba Inu and Luffy to the moon. Luffy Inu is one that's interesting to me because it's got some utility built around it, around Japanese anime and NFTs. So there is some utility in Luffy Inu. It might be one you might look at. But again, go into it eyes wide open, not investing advice, right? Top series. How does the overall crypto market look from now till the end of the year? I think it's going to be extremely bullish. I think we got a nice run headed our way, and it doesn't really show in the price today. I did a video. I've done a series of videos talking about what's going to, I think, happen with the overall market. I think we're setting up for a pretty significant run up with about a 6-month bull run. That's what I think. So there we go. So that's going to be awesome to see. I really enjoyed the three-way crypto mafia live earlier. That's actually a good name, Jeremiah. I'm going to write that down. Crypto mafia. That's pretty good. I like that. Crypto mafia. There you go. Cool. We may start doing those where it's like maybe like your pop, me, Zach, Chad Reddings, might even pull Jake Gagan in, just kind of do overall and do like a whole where all of us are on one screen. That'd be kind of cool, wouldn't it? You guys, what do you guys think about that? If we did that, drop in the chat if you guys think we should do that. Let me know. Yeah, I appreciate that, Kim. I've got somebody saying, yeah, there is somebody on Twitter that's trying to impersonate me. So just FYI, my name, see right down here in the lower, see how I have Austin A. Hilton? And I think there's somebody on Twitter that has like 2 L's in their name. So here's the thing. If there's somebody on Twitter and they're acting like me and they're asking you for money or to send them money or anything like that, don't do that. I don't do anything like that. The only thing, guys, that I have right now is I have my Patreon group. That's to join my Patreon, my private group. You guys heard me talk about it in videos and things like that. Don't send anybody money if they're on Twitter acting like me and they're trying to get you to send them money. That is not me. That's a scam. Okay. So there you go. So thanks for that. Somebody's asking, should they buy more SHIB right now? No, I don't think right now is a good time to buy more. I think that you need to be give it a break, let it pump, and because I think it's going to come back down. That's what I think. Okay. Don't have any idea when Shibarium is going to happen, guys. So somebody's asking about that. Crypto Syndicate. Well, I like that too. I got to write that down. Cool. Crypto Syndicate. Cool. All right. What else do we have? All right, cool. Got about 700 people hanging out. That's fun. All right, cool. What else you guys got going on? Let's see. Santa Fe Mike, watching your excellent content from the Houston area. Your appearance on Zach Humphrey's channel earlier was outstanding. Well, thanks, Santa Fe. I appreciate you. Thank you for being a member, and thank you very much. What is the tax implications of selling Shiba Inu on Webull? If you're making a profit, if you're making profits, you gotta basically gonna have to report it to the government. That's really what it comes down to. So Foxy, one of my moderators, says report any impersonator. It works. They do remove them. Yeah, definitely. If you guys see somebody impersonating me on Twitter, right, just report them. I hate those guys. Hank, hello from Vegas. Cool. Well, hey man, welcome. I heard there was a big burn of SHIB. No, I haven't heard anything about that. If you got Ray, thanks for dropping the chat, but I haven't heard anything about a burn. Believe me, I think we would have known. And they would have tweeted about it, and they would have been talking about it. Kevin, thanks for the info you provide. Holding 600 million SHIB and 20 leashed. Well, thank you for the super chat, Kevin. I appreciate you. You're welcome. And my goal is just real simple, is to help you guys always have the latest and greatest information, so that's what I care about. Crypto Consortium, that's pretty cool. Kevin, Austin, do you think SHIB could legitimately hit 1 penny? Honest opinion. Yes, I do. I think, but it's 4 or 5 years out, Kevin. It's not tomorrow. It's not by December. It's probably about 4 years away. That's what I think. So yeah, the impersonator is among us. That's funny. That's funny. Why are Ethereum gas fees so high? Because they are, and it sucks. There's a lot of reasons for it, but it's the delay of proof of work to proof of stake. There's a lot. It's a lot of technical stuff. But here's my advice. Gas fees are cheaper after about 11 p.m. United States time. The cheapest times to buy anything on like Uniswap or SushiSwap is around midnight to 1 a.m. I'll give you a perfect example. I was buying some Saitama at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I paid $90 in gas fees. I did a different transaction at about 1 o'clock in the morning because I just happened to be up and I was just up. And I paid $19. I paid $19 in gas fees at 1 a.m. So just FYI. So Gagarly, is there a 6-month bull market for crypto or for stocks? I'm talking about crypto. I'm not talking about stocks. So yeah. If you sell, guys, some people are asking about taxes and stuff. If you sell any, here's what it comes down to. Because in the stock market, you've always had to report your gains. Basically, if you make a profit, you're supposed to report it. That's really what it comes down to. If you make a profit, you're supposed to report it, period. Okay? Because it's taxable gains. It's taxable gains. There you go. Yeah, moment you sell or move crypto, it's taxable in the United States. Absolutely. Austin's wearing an Ethereum shirt. You know, you would think so. Do you know that this is Volcom? VOLCOMM or VOLCOM. It looks like Ethereum, doesn't it? But it's Volcom. It's one of my favorite brands. I've been wearing their t-shirts forever, but it's Volcom. Good. They're real comfortable. They're good shirts, something like that. So, but it does look like an Ethereum logo, doesn't it? So that's pretty cool. All right. So what do we got here? Wow, 441 likes. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Let's see. What else we got? This is really just an AMA, guys. Just a Q&A. I'm just hanging out with you. Just kind of watching SHIB pump a little bit. It's just kind of doing its thing. But look at that. It's been as high today as 1482. It's crazy. Turex Fund, I believe it will take down 2 zeros by the end of this year. I don't know about that. 2 zeros is tough. If you're including today's zero, where we moved over one and maybe one more, maybe. But I think more likely we'll hit like a 7 or 8 in this spot, in that spot. And by the way, I remind you, our all-time high was when we had a 3 in that spot right there. So there we go. Wow, we got some good questions coming in. Jerry from Minta. I don't know who Jerry from Minta is. He's a big crypto guy. That's interesting. Yeah, I'm open to interviewing anybody. He's pretty cool and easy to hang out with. What's going on with ADA? ADA's just not doing much right now because the overall market are not doing anything, guys. I mean, look, the entire crypto market is flat. And so, like, look at Bitcoin and Ethereum. Cardano's doing the exact same thing. That's it. Period. I mean, there's no real mystery in that regard. You know, it's just kind of down. SHIB's the only thing running really hard right now. Let's see what else. Can I do a price prediction about Saitama? Yeah, let's talk about Saitama price prediction. No, I can't spell that. You can't spell Saitama right today. There we go. Price prediction about Saitama. Oh man. So I think this one's easy. We're gonna move over a zero. I think we're gonna buy if everything goes right. Top tier exchange. Saitama launches. Everything goes well with it. We're starting to get movement. I think we're over in this zero. Pretty easily. And it could be high in this zero, like a 7 or an 8. So that's what I think. And our all-time high, if you guys look at this, our all-time high, well, this chart, this thing sucks. Sometimes this thing right here, our all-time high, I believe, is around a 17 when we had like 17 and change or something like that. So, yeah. So there you go. I just need 24 hours. So, yeah. So that's what I think. Somebody says, I hope I'm doing fine. Yeah, I'm doing great. Thank you. Appreciate it. Look at Leash too. Yeah, I looked at Leash earlier today. So Leash, Doge Killer. It's coming up more. It wasn't pumping earlier like this. So you can see like its 24-hour high is 1069. Earlier today it started off, there you go, started off at 854. So it was kind of down 900-ish range whenever Zach and I looked at it earlier. So there you go. For those of you guys are asking where you can buy Saitama, if you go to my channel, which by the way, if you haven't already done so, definitely subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to get to 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you haven't done that, so go to my channel, and if you search on my channel for how to buy, and this right here is about a week ago, I did a video on how to buy Saitama. So go to my channel and just type in the search bar right here. You see it right here. And then type in how to buy, and then you'll see the video comes up right here, how to buy Saitama. So there you go. Okay? So there we go on that. Where was I? So yeah, there you go, how to buy. But definitely, if you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button below. All right, guys, hit the like button if you would. I want to get to 650 likes in about 10 or 15 minutes. Can you guys hit the like button? I want to get to about 650 likes. That'll help me help me with the algorithm and all that kind of stuff. Austin Dollar, can you do a bone price prediction for the end of the year? Man, I'm telling you what, bone is tough, man. I mean, bone is hard because it's kind of moving around a little bit. And so the answer is no. I can't give you a prediction by the end of the year. This one's been interesting to kind of watch. And you can see we were as high as a 41. Obviously, we're not anywhere near that. Maybe $2 or $3. I don't know. This one, you guys know me. If I can't give you a good representation, I'm going to tell you that I can't. Okay, so bone's really, really tough. Yeah, that's what I mean. But you can see it's pumping. Everything in the entire Shiba ecosystem is it's pumping. So Bitcoin, Austin Hilton, what do you think about NTF coin? I'll look at it here. Let me look at it real quickly. Let's see what that is. NTF. I don't know what that is. Let's see if I can find that. NTF coin. No, not NFT. NT. Did I say NT? NTF. NTF. I don't know what that is. NTF. I got nothing. All right. All right. So, yeah. So, there we go. Okay. Do I think SHIB will consolidate? Yeah, I think it will a little bit. I think it's going to have to a little bit. I mean, guys, it can't run up forever, right? You just know that. It cannot run forever. Shiba Inu, I think it will consolidate. Wow, thanks, guys. You hit me with some likes. Appreciate that. Thank you. Keep it up. Yeah, I think SHIB will consolidate a little bit. I think it will pull back. I think it will. And it's going to happen. It's just kind of a matter of how much and when, and so that's kind of how I see it. So, yeah. If Doge can hit a penny, then so can SHIB. Yeah, sure, absolutely. NFT, sorry. So NFT coin. All right, hold on. NFT, I'm assuming it's this one. NFT, this has not really been surging. What is it? Where are we at? 7 day? Oh, yeah, it surged up. What do these guys do? Liquidity for specific types of digital assets, staking contracts. It's interesting. I'd have to dig into them a little bit more. I don't have time, guys, to dig into it. This is kind of a Shiba Inu Q&A, but it could be interesting. I mean, it would be, obviously utility. I mean, obviously it's liquidity around NFT. So then it's like, okay, how is it going to be utilized? Where's it going to be layered in? Where's it going to be embedded in? What are the partnerships? Things like that. Those are the questions that I would be looking to ask for those of you guys asking about NFT. Legit finance. Austin, what type of truck do you have? You never told us when you finished that video. Oh, I'm sorry about that. I have a Ford F-250 with kind of the blacked out package. It's silver. It's silver with kind of the it's got black wheels, things like that. So yeah, it's a Ford F-250. So I used to have a Ford F-150, and then I bought this F-250. I couldn't resist. Wanted to get it. So there we go. But thanks for asking. It's a diesel, it's all that. It's just just a big truck. My wife, the funny story is my wife said, "Why do you want this truck?" And I said, for a real simple reason. It's bigger. It's cooler than an F-150. And I like my F-150, right? It's just bigger and cooler. So there you go. So you got to laugh sometimes. You just got to laugh. All right. So, hey, we just hit 600 likes. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it. Somebody's asked me what I think about HBAR. HBAR, I like, man. HBAR, I think it's going to turn back on. It's going to be good stuff. So I think HBAR is a good one. How about them Cowboys? Hey, man, they're doing good. They're doing good. Who's playing tonight? Somebody drop in the chat. Who's playing tonight on Monday Night Football? I don't even know who's playing tonight. Somebody drop. I've been so crazy busy today. Drop in the chat. Who's playing tonight on Monday Night Football? Legit Finance. What do you think about my YouTube channel name? That's actually a pretty good name. Legit Finance. It's not a bad name. So, are you gonna do crypto content? Or are you gonna do like stocks? What are you gonna do? Let's see what else we got to. ICP. I don't cover ICP really, guys. I don't really look at that one, so I really couldn't tell you. Ooh, Chargers versus the Raiders. That's actually a good name. Good game. I'm gonna have to watch that, man. I've always been a Raiders fan. My team is Kansas City. That's why I got my little bobblehead guy right there. Kansas City's my team because Patrick Mahomes, he went to Texas Tech and all that kind of stuff. Austin, crypto cartel art created tagged on Twitter. Thanks, Mitch. That's cool. Crypto cartel art created tagged on Twitter. All right, cool. Thanks, Mitch. Crypto cartel. I do like that. That's pretty cool. Raiders versus the Chargers. Who do you guys think is going to win? The Raiders or the Chargers? Who's going to win tonight? Raiders versus the Chargers. Have I gotten my ETH domain name yet? No, I have not. Ouch. Tazos. I like Tazos. It's been running up. I own Tazos, but I haven't looked at it in a while. I think it might not be a bad buy right now if it's kind of pulled back a little bit. So yeah, Kansas City's having a rough time. Absolutely. We got Raiders are going to win. So yeah, cool. All right. What's my assumption on Shiba Inu price short term? I think short term. I think we hopefully consolidate a little bit, and then we're going to move down a little bit, and then we run back up. That's what I want. I want us to have a nice run back up. Austin, what could you compare Shiba Inu coin to another coin that was at that price but went over $1? There is not one. It's the tokenomics, guys. It's not going to be, Shiba Inu is never going to be $1. The tokenomics are out of whack for that. When Shiba Inu hits a penny, here's how I think about it. When Shiba Inu hits a penny, it's kind of the same thing as Doge hitting $1. Yes, I realize, don't tear me up on the tokenomics, okay? I'm talking about like everybody targets $1 for Dogecoin. Well, if Shiba Inu hits a penny, it's kind of similar in it's just similar, if that makes sense. That's the easiest way I could explain it without getting into really deep into the weeds of tokenomics and all that stuff. So don't beat me up on the tokenomics. I get it. That's about as close as I can kind of come to an explanation, if you will. All right, guys, I'm going to give you guys about another 15 minutes, and then I'm going to bounce because I wanted to come out and hang out with you about 45 minutes, and we're now at 39 minutes and change. So there we can go. Is it a good time to buy SHIB now? No, I mean, honestly, guys, I would wait. I think we're pumping. I would probably wait because I think we're going to see a pullback. I mean, look at this volume. Look at this, 724%. That's absolutely crazy. Hawk's Nest. So today I made about $800 off of SHIB. Do I take my profits from today, hold it until it goes back down when we pull back? Yeah, why not? If you've already sold and already got your profits, just chill out, and then you can buy back in at a lower level. Bitcoin. Austin, you checked the wrong NFT. It's Ape NFT I was asking about. Sorry about the confusion. There you go. All right, well, we're going to look at that because now you got me curious. Ape NFT. Let's do it right here. Ape NFT. There we go. All right, cool. 454. Ape NFT. Okay, up 24%. What do they do? Oh, let's look at 7-day. Oh, yeah, look at that. Man, it's pumped up. Nice. Where can you buy it? Okay. Wow, actually, Huobi, Gate, KuCoin. Quite a bit of places, actually. All right. That's good stuff. What do they do? Investing in top NFT platforms, out incubating lead. Oh, interesting. All right. So they're an investment organization investing in top NFT platform and artworks, incubating, leading NFT to build a bridge between world-class and NFT world, sponsoring galleries. That's interesting. By applying blockchain technology, the Ape NFT funds expands the use case to block the fund purchases well-known traditional NFT artworks as underlying assets and works to improve the NFT trading standard. If you believe in the NFT industry, that's an interesting business model. How they're basically investing in and then using those core NFTs as underlying assets. That's interesting. It's kind of cool. I'm not hugely into NFT. I obviously I'm very aware of it. I know what it is. But the NFT market is just really intriguing to me, and I think we're just seeing the very beginnings of it. So we absolutely are. All right, cool. I don't have any thoughts about Boss Token. I get asked that all the time. I really don't look at it. I don't have any thoughts about it. I know it's kind of one of the other ones that's out there right now. Nothing against Boss Token or anything like that, but just go into it eyes wide open and just make sure you protect yourself. Don't put into it any money you can't afford to lose. And I'm not saying that in a bad way. That's what I say, guys. Is it's like anytime you're looking at kind of new ones, relatively. I've looked at it in the previous, and just be careful. That's all I ask. All right, guys. Got about a 10-minute call, and then I'm going to bounce out. Hit the like button if you would. Help me get to about, let's call it 750 likes. That would help me. I would appreciate it. Somebody's asking me if I own any NFTs. No, I do not own any. I do not own any NFTs. I've thought about having some of my own NFTs created. I love the Bored Ape NFTs. I like the how they were. Here, let me show you this. Bored Ape. The Bored Ape Yacht Club. I really love the how these were drawn. I like the style that they were created in. The illustrative style. And so if I'm gonna create some NFTs myself, I'm gonna hire a professional illustrator, and I'm gonna do something kind of in this style. And I'm not talking about I'm not gonna do Bored Ape. I'm gonna do kind of this illustration style, if that makes any sense. Like Mega Mutant, see how the style, the illustrative style. I really think that this is a cool one. Look at that right there. This one, the diver. I love that. I love that detail and that illustrative style. So that's kind of what I would want to do if I'm going to have some created. And I'm looking into an illustrator, hiring an illustrator to have some created. So there you go. So yeah. Wow, I never anybody asked me that. So thanks for whoever asked me that question. But yeah, I'm thinking about having some done, and then I would sell them on OpenSea. So there you go. And I just basically let you guys know, hey, I've got these NFTs. If y'all want them, go over and bid on them. Gary Dawson, I finally caught a live stream. Gary, welcome. Gary, I'm only going to be here about another 10 minutes. So welcome, Gary. Thanks for being a mod and one of my members. Appreciate it. Ruthless is in the house. Ruthless, I need to make you... Hold on. Ruthless. Ruthless, you're now a moderator, so there you go, man. Welcome. Ruthless is one of my moderators over in my Patreon group. By the way, make you aware, I got my Patreon links in the description. Check it out if you want me to look at your portfolio, you want help, you want any help from me. Speaking of that, if you're here, drop in the chat what your experience has been being a member of my Patreon group. Drop in the chat, positive or negative. I can't, and by the way, guys, full disclosure, I can't edit this. So you're about to get the honest opinion from existing members. So guys, if you're an existing member of my Patreon, drop in the chat what your thoughts are, what your experience has been working with me in my Patreon group. And then, let people know what you guys think. And then guys, if you're even remotely considering it, watch the chat and see what people think. So there you go. Somebody was asking me about merch. Yes, I'm in the process of hiring yet another graphic designer to do some merch to sell merch. Waylon, yes, there are inner circle spots left. Absolutely. Well, let me refresh this to make sure I still got spots left. Yeah, I've got 157 remaining. There you go. So yeah. So Shib2K says, I love being with Austin's Patreon. Thanks for that. So yes, Waylon, there are spots available for sure. For sure. So D Loftus says he's seen gains in 3 days. It's worth joining. Cool. Been a member for 15 minutes. Guess we'll find out. Jonathan, I didn't know that. Jonathan, welcome. Thanks for being a member. Did you join? Yeah, there you are. Jonathan Peters joined 15 minutes ago. Thanks, Jonathan. That was funny. Thanks, Jonathan. That cracked me up. Jonathan, hit me up send me a direct message. Jonathan sent me a direct message in Patreon, and I'll get you hooked up and we'll get you moving. So that's funny. Just been a member for 15 minutes. Shib2K, well worth $20. Yeah, I mean, I keep it as cheap as possible. So, all right, let me refresh this, guys, see where we're at. So we've been hovering in this 53 to 60% range. God, look at this volume, guys. Look at this. Volume is 719%. Look at the volume right here. Look at this volume. See my cursor? How it's moving right here? Look at this volume just moving up. It's crazy. Look at the volumes, up $5 billion. Holy crap, it's insane. That's nuts. $5 billion worth of volume in the last 24 hours. Crazy. My thoughts on the new Ford Maverick truck. I like it. I do. I do like it. I think it's cool. When am I going to go to a Lambo dealership? Guys, I don't know. Did y'all see that BitBoy took delivery of a Lambo the other day? He's got a video on his channel. It randomly popped up. BitBoy took a delivery of a Lamborghini the other day. So I probably won't buy a Lamborghini. You know what? I probably would buy. I might buy another truck. There's some other trucks that I kind of got my eye on and stuff like that. So I've kind of already done the sports car thing back in the day. I don't really care about it as much. I'm more excited about investing and buying more crypto than I am about buying a Lambo and things like that. So yeah. Cool. My thoughts on Ethereum Classic. I don't have an opinion on Ethereum Classic. I don't have anything against Ethereum Classic. I just think that ETC gets overlooked, and I think that there are better opportunities for your money. And that's not me saying anything bad about Ethereum Classic. I think that there's people that love ETC, but I think there's better places to put your money. So, all right, guys, I got to give you guys 47 minutes. I'm going to give you guys a 5-minute call, and then I got to bounce out. Foxy, midlife crisis. So, yeah, midlife crisis, Foxy, is me buying a new truck. There you go. We need an Austin Lambo delivery. You are cracking me up, man. Is it dipping again? No, it's not dipping. We're good. We're at 56+%. We're holding steady, man. Let me look. There it is, my trading view. We do have a little bit of a pullback right here. You can see it. Now let me go to the. Let's go to the 15-minute view. Yeah, like right here, we got a little bit of a sell-off. See it right here? See, like right here, we sold off, bounced back up, sold back off, but we got a green candle that's going against it right now. So there you go. All right, guys, 5-minute call. Petrol is running out. Not here in the States. You just got to pay more for it. Win truck. Yeah, that's my statement. Win truck. All right, guys. All right, man. Well, I'll tell you what, guys. It's been cool hanging out with you guys. Is the burn strategy enough to boost Shiba a bunch? We need a bigger, better burn strategy down the road. I talked about this today on Zach's live stream when Chad and I were on with Zach. I want to see some type of a bigger burn at some point in time. And right here, right now, I haven't heard anything. I can't see you in a Lamborghini, but definitely a big-ass Ford. Yes, that's what I drive. I drive a big-ass Ford truck. So there you go. I live in Texas. I have to drive a truck, right? So guys, I've got to bounce. It's been cool hanging out with you. Thank you so much for those of you guys came on. Thanks for the super chats. I appreciate it. And it's been cool to hang out with you guys. If you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel. If you're new to me or just finding me, I hope you stick around. Definitely hit the subscribe button below. I release new videos every single day. And I'd love to see you just, hang around. I give a damn about all you guys. I want all you guys to make a ton of money, which is why I try to bring you different content every single day. It's why I bring you content on Bitcoin. It's why I bring you content on the overall crypto market so that you kind of know and you get snapshots and glimpses about what's going on. I think Bitcoin is definitely going to run, and when Bitcoin runs, the rest of the market's going to run. I'm excited about Bitcoin and the overall market, because when Bitcoin and Ethereum go up, it pulls the entire rest of the market with it, which is pretty damn cool. All right, so I'm going to bounce, guys. I'm going to go spend some time with my family, go watch a show with my son and my wife. And as always, appreciate you. Thank you for your support of myself, my channel, my videos. I'll see you later. Have a good night. Take it easy. Bye.